This is our first press conference for 2018. It's largely to reflect on 2017 and perhaps projections for 2018. So, press statement January 8, 2018. The Ministry of Legal Affairs and Attorney General's Chambers in 2017 had many achievements, some of which were unprecedented. We successfully hosted the Caribbean Financial Action Task Forces for the 6 plenary and working group meetings, and upon its conclusion acceded to the chairmanship of the 25-member body of Caribbean, Central, and South American countries. The ministry built on its hugely successful hosting of the Hague Convention Conference of 2016, with a follow-up conference in 2017, to enable stakeholders to confirm support for accession to the various Hague Conventions, including child protection, adoption, abduction, and maintenance. For apostille and other conventions related to legal commerce and trade were also adopted, and the ministry will collaborate with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to pursue Guyana's adoption of them. The Ministry of Legal Affairs and the Inter-American Development Bank, the IDB, have embarked on a collaboration to reduce high concentrations of prison populations in Guyana. In particular, the reduction of inmates who are pretrial detainees and increasing the use of alternative sentencing. The $8 million United States loan will be spent on a legal aid pilot project, a restorative justice program, strengthened probation services, and a law reform commission, amongst other things. The Ministry of Legal Affairs will continue the APNU AFC government's fight against corruption through its anti-corruption sensitization seminars in all the regions of Guyana by targeting employees of the state. The provisions of the State Assets Recovery Act 2017, the Witness Protection Bill, and the Protected Disclosure Whistleblower Bill will be explained. On the other side of the coin, the Special Organized Crime Unit, SOCU, will continue to investigate and prosecute financial crimes involving around $900 billion. The Attorney General's Chambers will continue its institutional strengthening as it pursues its legislative agenda for 2018, while the Advice and Litigation Division will continue to provide advisory services and give representation for the state in court cases. The Deeds and Commercial Registry and land registries continue to provide legal services to the public and are engaged in the digitization of their records. The goal is to enable persons to access the electronic registers without having to leave their homes or place of business. Finally, the ministry is in the process of finalizing the engagement with its Jamaican partners in relation to the requirements of establishing the Joseph Haynes Law School in Guyana, in keeping with the decision of the Council of Ministers of the Council of Legal Education made in the meeting of January 2017 in Jamaica. This ends our statement.